They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but wait till you see this one in person. Welcome to 21 Greystone Lane, located on a quiet street in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods here at the lake, the Villages. Thanks for checking out my newest listing here at 21 Greystone Lane in the Villages. My name is Jennifer Wasilak and I'm with Cranston Associates. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any others, please give me a call at 417-766-3549.